Hey guys, Bill Soriano from Pittsburgh, and I wanted to take you through a quick trade that I took here today and show you what I was looking at, why I took the trade, why I decided to actually take the trade here today. And so this is AUDNZD. I think I was looking at this on Friday or last week as well. And so when you look at the daily chart here, okay, what do you see? You can see very clearly that this is in an uptrend. Okay, so we know that we're bullish on AUDNZD. We don't want to take any sales. We only want to take buys and long positions. So we drop down to the 4-hour and we want to look at a point of interest, like an area of an interest, right, on the 4-hour. And so what we find here is we find this 4-hour banker candle right here. Okay, now this is a decisional candle. The extreme candle would be down below here. Okay, probably right here. So this is a decisional candle. So we would, once this candle gets hit, we would then drop down to the 1-hour chart and wait for double mitigation, a 2x2, an ATH indicator confirmation, or any combination of that. Okay. Now in this case, I dropped down to the 1-hour chart, and you can see here that here's where the 4-hour candles was hit. This is the 4-hour candle. And then you can see it makes a good move up and it creates a new banker candle right here on the 1-hour chart for double mitigation, which is a very big candle. Okay. But it does create it. It comes back and it mitigates it right here on this candle. And we also got an ATH indicator on this candle right here before that. Okay. I'm not going to jump in this trade yet, guys, because I'm not convinced that it's going up yet. Right now, I know that the main trend is up, but if you look at the 1-hour chart here, it's just moving down. So we need some kind of confirmation to get in this trade. We just can't take the trade off this banker candle being hit on 4-hour chart. We need some confirmations, right? We need a couple of them. We need double mitigation. We need 2x2 or an ATH. So we do get the ATH right here. Now this does pull back on the next candle and it mitigates this 1-hour candle right here. So you do get double mitigation. But again, guys, I'm not getting anything just because it moved up here. That's not telling me that it's going to continue upward, right? That could just be a pullback and then it could just head back down again. So I want to wait and see what it does here, right? I really like to get a 2x2, or I'd like to get, some other confirmation that it's going to be okay. So what I'm looking for here is I'm looking to see when it pulls back, when it comes back down here, if it takes out this structure, and it doesn't do that. So that's good. So it doesn't take out that structure. It starts to head back up, and then I get another ATH signal right here on this candle. So that's when I decide to get in the trade. So now our ATH indicator is a proprietary indicator that's for our team only, and you have to be a customer to get it. But it does not, right now, we don't have an indicator for TradingView. It's only on MT4 and MT5. So when I drop down to my MT4 here, I'm on AUDNZD, I'm on the 1-hour chart. Now this is that move down I was showing you. Now what you see here on MT4 is you see these big pins now coming down. Okay, you don't see that on TradingView. That's because of the broker. This is my FX choice broker, so the candles look a little bit different, right? They don't have the FX choice option on TradingView, so you don't see those big wicks going down here. This is an arrow right here. This isn't a big wick. This is an arrow that I put in there. So you don't have those big wicks like you had in MT4. So you have to really go by your MT4 chart. And so what happens is you see there's that move up. There's that ATH indicator right there. Again, I'm not going to take the trade yet. I want to see if I can get a 2x2, or I want to see if it holds this structure here when it comes back down. Okay. Now the structure looks a little bit different on MT4 here. It's actually down here at the body of this candle. So I want to make sure it holds that structure. So what it does is comes back down, it goes back up. We get another ATH indicator right here on this candle. Again, I'm still not convinced. Then it comes down here and it doesn't break structure. Okay, it doesn't break structure. And as it starts to move up, we get another ATH indicator on this candle right here. And that's where I got in it. Okay, when that candle got closed, I got in. And then, of course, you know, I'm buying it here. So because of the spread, my entry is a little bit higher than the close of that candle. So as far as the stop loss goes, I set the stop loss. I just padded this pin here a little bit. I'm not going to go all the way down here or all the way down here, but I padded this pin right here a little bit. And so it's currently moving up. It's up about 5 pips right now, as you can see here on my thing here. I don't know why I can't get this one trade to disappear from my chart here. I'm not in it anymore, but I can't get it off of there. So anyway, we're up about 5 pips right now. So that's the AUDNZD trade. And I got in that. Let me see what else I wanted to just show you an update on that AUDNZD trade. And I did. Let me see if I still have that marked up as EURAUD, right? So this trade here is the trade, the last video that I did. I showed you why I got in this trade. This trade, as you could see, moved out, and we got out with a 50 pip profit on the first half, and then it pulled back. We had the exit manager running, and we got out with a about 14 or 15 pips on the second half of that position. Okay. When I say I have the exit manager running, I have it running here on AUDNZD as well. It's right here. This is another indicator that you get, and you get this indicator for free when you register for our to try us out for 7 days. So you don't even have to become a customer to get our exit manager indicator. You just have to register for a 7-day free trial. And here you can see I have this set for 40 pips, and then it's going to close half of my position, move the stop loss on the rest of the half to 10 pips, break even plus 10 pips. And then I'm going to use the fractals then. I'm going to use fractals to trail the stop to determine where to get out. Okay, but once I have that set, as long as my MT4 is running, my computer doesn't shut off, I don't have to worry about the trade anymore. Right? So this is the new trade that we have running on AUDNZD, and I also showed you the update on AUD from Thursday or Friday last week. We're out of that trade now at a win. Okay, have a great day, guys. If you want to get your free week of training, the guys were on live a couple hours ago at 12 p.m. Eastern time today. Even though it's Labor Day, it's a holiday, they were on there working, doing their job like they do every Monday through Friday, like they've done for the past 6 years. So if you want to get your free week of training, contact me below. I'll get you set up and register for that. Otherwise, happy Labor Day. Have a great day.